Is your Epson printer suddenly showing a driver error, refusing to print, or disappearing from your computer? The driver may be corrupted. A corrupted printer driver can happen after a Windows update, an interrupted installation, or a damaged driver file. First, disconnect the printer from your computer. Remove the Epson printer from Windows, then open Device Manager and uninstall the problematic printer device. Restart your computer. Then download the latest driver for your exact Epson printer model from Epson's official support website. Run the installer as instructed. Connect your printer when prompted. And complete the setup. Avoid interrupting the installation.
Finally, print a test page. If your Epson printer works normally again, the corrupted driver has been replaced.
For more printer fixes and setup guides, subscribe for the next video.